go and on the bench. Wetin do me so? Me I know say chief go worry and when we go shift fellow. Where you go?
I say my fine water, my go toilet.
You wan go toilet?
I want fine water.
Okay, no wahala na. Man, see there you wan pass. You wan go toilet? You go pass me here now.
You think say you dey wise?
Where you go?
I dey come. I wan go toilet.
This one wey dey push it so na shit you dey push.
Wetin concern you? I wan toilet.
He shot you.
Abeg, do quick now.
Chai, Capello, you mumu. Yes, I know I'm mumu.
Come outside now. Na born you dey born.
Wetin happen na?
Abeg, come outside, abeg.
The shit dey worry you like that?
Abeg,
Dey worry you?
you dey worry me,
I dey
abeg.
come, give me 5 minutes.
Abeg now, come outside, abeg. Abeg, I don put for body.
Remember 1 minute.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
I go enter follow you. Abeg now, abeg, come out, abeg. If you don reach 3 hours inside this toilet now, abeg. Abeg.
Nana dey come.
Abeg now. Don't.
I dey come.
You can be prosecuted for that. Oh,
I dey come now. I dey come.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá
Come
rèé
outside,
tó.
don't do abeg, you don't do.
You stupid.
If you do that day be happy, today na your phone. Abeg me flog my shit.
No.